News 13 is your local election headquarters, and new at 5, the Atlantic Beach election drama taking another turn. Mayoral candidate John David has now filed a petition to the South Carolina State Supreme Court. News 13's Jackie Labrizzi was in Atlantic Beach once again and talked to candidate David.
John David filed a petition for original jurisdiction and motion for emergency relief. He's asking the court for judgment on many things, including that the town's election commission remain in office with their rights and responsibilities.
I filed suit with the South Carolina Supreme Court for an urgent matter of the highest public importance.
In the introduction of David's complaint, it states the town's election commission was first challenged after he won a special election to fill a vacant seat on the Atlantic Beach Town Council in January. But this complaint comes after he ran for mayor in last week's election. A total number of 18 ballots were challenged, then later approved by the election commission after a vote certification meeting.
The voters and the will of the citizens of Atlantic Beach. As a 30-year veteran, I understand that nothing is more sacred than the right to and counting of the votes in a democracy.
After the last tally of votes on Thursday, David had won the mayoral election by 1 vote, beating Josephine Isom. Following the state law, a recount was set for the next morning. But in the middle of the recount, current mayor Jake Evans said the recount must be stopped until a state-employed court reporter was present. Before a court reporter could arrive, the town council called an emergency meeting and voted to disband the entire election commission, leading to a potential conflict of interest.
A mayor and 2 council members that are in the said election should not be able to stop the will of everyday hardworking local citizens.
And when I asked Mayor Evans and re-elected Councilwoman Jackie Gore what the next steps were, they said they needed more information from their lawyer. I also spoke with a state election commission official, and he agreed the next steps for this situation is court. And that's exactly what David did.
I asked that the solicitor and the South Carolina Attorney General read the Supreme Court filing where cited laws were broken. And I asked them to help protect our democracy and the people of Atlantic Beach's right to vote and their rights to have their votes counted. Thank you.
I reached out to the town's manager both last week and this week, and he says he has no comment. Gore and Isom say they also don't have comment at this time. Reporting in Atlantic Beach, Jackie Labrizzi, News 13.
Thanks a lot, Jackie. We also reached back out to Mayor Jake Evans in Atlantic Beach today. We're still waiting to hear back.